How to download Fortnite in your Android mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download your Fortnite in your mobile application. As we all know that Play Store has banned the Fortnite, and if you search for Fortnite on Play Store, you will not be able to get it. There are many fake applications with the same name. These are not the true ones. So in order to download the Fortnite in your mobile application, all you have to do is just open your Chrome browser, and after that on the search bar just search for Fortnite. And here you will see these two links. First one is the Fortnite official website and the second one is Epic Games. So just click on the Epic Games URL, and after that just log into your account. And once you are logged in, just click on the search icon from the top, and here just search for Fortnite and just click on enter. So as you can see, the Fortnite game is right here, so just tap on it. Now when you will scroll down, you will see the option called get, so just click on get. Now you have to sign up to your Epic Games account in order to download the Fortnite game in your Epic Game Launcher if you haven't already. So just go ahead and log into your account. So in order to download the Fortnite game successfully in your Epic Game Launcher, you need to make the order for the game itself. So just click on place order. So once the order is placed, your Fortnite game will be successfully downloaded in your Epic Game Launcher, and from Epic Games you will be able to access your Fortnite game. So this is how you will be able to download your Fortnite in your Android mobile. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.